PlayStation VR.
Yeah.
I was waiting for more excitement.
Yeah, this
Alright, I'll go.
Oh, that says the arrow that go to other way. That was not proper English at all.
That says the arrow to go to the other way.
He's Obama.
I don't even know who Jeffrey Epstein is.
In the film Avatar, the Navajo tribe have what color skin?
they were purple.
Well, they're obviously purple.
What is the opposite of left?
Blue.
Finally, yeah, I
Look at
hope
him.
you like your new accounting office.
Jerry's actually studying to what? Be an accountant?
Yes, this is splendid.
I don't know,
Yeah,
and he
we've
can't
been
hear
out
us,
an
so we
accountant.
can't ask.
I have no idea what Jerry studies.
I'll tell you what, we'll ask him afterwards, and then on the screen it'll yes or no. Something will be there.
No idea
There we
where we
go.
are with
Yo, Jerry, tell me a story.
Once upon a time, there was a guy.
What?
Yo,
What?
check it out. This guy, his name was Jerry.
Bro, like you?
I promise I'm gonna lose it.
Oh, I promise too, you're gonna
You
lose.
think you're cool with your little...
After I
Little
get
hat.
these 400 points to get my
Yeah.
second wedge.
Look at him go.
So Jerry thinks that we're filming an Accounting Plus VR Let's Play, but we're actually filming a video where we can talk shit about Jerry in front of him and he can't actually hear about it.
He's not gonna watch the YouTube
He's not gonna watch it. He's not gonna watch this video.
Fuck this
Jerry
guy.
and his...
That's so loud. Oh my god.
Yeah, you shut up.
Yeah, it is, Jerry.
It's so loud.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah. Dipshit.
Shut up, pussy.
So, I don't know what to tell you.
Jerry's like, I want to talk. What are we talking about? That's mad funny.
Listen, you won't get past this door.
You wanna know a secret? He has like he can't hear us. If you knock on the door 3 times, a coin appears in the cabinet. But you can knock on the door 10 times and he'll let you in for free. Because he finds you so much of an annoyance.
Let's really hope it doesn't get to that.
I don't want to do that. Yeah.
I'm gonna edit that into something.
Yeah, edit that into something.
Anything.
We're sorry, Jerry.
It's a 22 way.
Jerry, do something. With your face. Do something with your face.
You just did, bro.